Healthcare Business Today Home Who we are advertise with us editorial guidelines privacy policy contact us patient care LeptoConnect review, does it work? Or is it just a fad weight loss pill? By team, June 15, 2020 307 share Facebook Twitter Pinterest LinkedIn Reddit email struggling to lose weight? You try to eat less and exercise more, but weight loss results are still missing? Losing a few pounds, or more seems easy when you look for tips and tricks. But the reality is that most people struggle and feel like it's meant to be. Weight loss is possible, but you just need extra help. For many people that extra help comes in the form of LeptoConnect. This fat burner is responsible for weight loss results of many men and women, but you're probably feeling skeptical. Whether you've come across LeptoConnect and not totally convinced in its potential or you're just looking for unbiased fat burner reviews, this post will help you out. The review focuses on LeptoConnect and its mechanism of action, formula, and more. Scroll down to see whether you can trust this fat burner or not. LeptoConnect Review, Brand Overview. Every product you use has its good and bad sides. Dietary supplements like LeptoConnect aren't the exceptions here. Let's take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of this product. LeptoConnect poses as one of the most popular fat burners on the market. The product delivers natural ingredients that speed up metabolism and improve the body's functions.